Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on Reset Control Center on iPhone or iOS 18. In order to fix it or to reset, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. The latest iOS 18.1 developed beta 5 offers a built-in option to reset the control center to its default settings and undo any user-made changes and customizations as well. Now here's how you do it. So first thing, you want to open the iPhone and open the settings app and navigate to the control center section. Then you want to tap on reset control center and hit the reset control center options again. This will instantly revert the control center to the factory layout. You will now see the control offered when you first installed iOS 18. The reset option makes it much easier to undo layout changes rather than manually moving and deleting individual control around. You just have to go ahead and tap on the reset options to undo any unwanted changes and restore the iOS 18 control center. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.